welcome to the channel. I'm looking to break down this indoor, I guess an AC unit that mounts inside the wall. So let's get to it. I don't see no screws here, so let's flip it. There's a screw right here. There's no screws, so they must have tried to repair it or something. Cause it looks like it's missing some screws. But anyway, we just gotta figure out how to open this thing. Well, let's try a couple different things. Looks like it just snaps on, maybe. There's a little snap in here and it goes up. What else is there to do? There's no screws. Well, let's see. There's looks like a cover. I just noticed this when I flipped it. It's this thing right here. Oh, that's probably what it is. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's just the door. Oh, there's screws in there. Well, we don't need this lid anyway. Get that out of the way. Go in slow mode for now. And figure it out. Yeah, look, they did something because there's a couple loose screws in here. This one just came out by hand. Let's see. I don't see anymore. So see if it'll come up like that. More screws. No. There's a screw over here. No, that's not a button. Well, let me figure this out so I don't take up too much time on the video, and then I'll come back when I figure out how to open it. Well, let's see. I flipped this little cover here. There's a screw here. And there's another one here. but the one on the far end over here is missing. So let's see what that does. Yeah, that's what it was. It's coming off. Let's see what it looks like. And the cover's off. Turn it around, see if there's any screws over here. Yep. This little piece normally has copper inside. Keep going. Gotta get all this electrical stuff out of here, and then we'll move on to the next. That opened up in a minute. Let's see what else we got in here. Trying to get all the screws that I can see. See if there's one on the other side. Yeah. One more right here looks like a cover some sort to hold that fan in place or the molding. So that screws out. See another hidden screw down here. Let's see what we got. You just cut this off, get these feet. tip right here, and all this copper right here. Cut all the soldered pieces and clean it up. Like some kind of, feels like clay or something. Yeah. Oh, another big chunk of brass right there. That's a good piece right there. And then there's a screw hidden down here. Now let's see if it'll come out now. Now that I got that screw off. Oh, there's another screw over here hidden. Couldn't see it. It's all rusted. Well, get out of my way so I can get the screw, the drill straight. Yeah, they're hidden everywhere. Where does this cover come off? Oh, there's another screw down here. Maybe now the cover will come off. Yeah, there we go. Piece of plastic. These screws off, and then we can get this plastic off the radiator, the coil and stuff. Keep saying radiator, now let's say should pop off this. We got this copper, big piece. Tip is brass. All this copper right here. It's a big radiator. Or what you saying? It's a coil. So now let's see where we're at here. This one's just a motor. This is almost, it looks almost the same setup as one of those standing fans. You know, you just, yeah, the exact same setup. Because the only difference is add the coil to it. Yeah, I didn't know that. Good to know. Now we got this piece right here, which is mainly plastic. Just pull the fan off. This looks like it has a piece of brass inside, so I'm gonna just cut it open. It's just a piece of rubber, and there's a piece of brass inside of it. So let's see what we got in here. Got a little baby screw on the outside over here on the side. The drill won't fit on. See, with just a little piece of tin to the outside of this plastic. Should pull right off. Wow. Got a little piece of plastic sticking out. There we go. Another little piece of tin. Hopefully you can hear me. I know if there's rain what's going on behind me. Yeah, that's too small. So let's see what's in here. Maybe silver buttons, silver contacts. And I know there might be a board in here. It looks like a piece of aluminum maybe. Well, I took the screw off, so it should pop open. Oh, thought it was aluminum. It's basically what it is, but it's just this little sheet, like the tape. And now we got a little small board. I guess goes in the e-waste pile. Well, there's not much on it, a couple little small pieces, but this is trash. So this one basically got all this wire. And then this here wire, all this wire right here. This might be brass. These little, most of the time, the brass. Yep. So we got these 4 little pieces right here. And you can see it, the brass. The rest of this. Let's see what's in here. magnetic. Nope, this is brass. Now we got a couple pieces of trash. And then we got this. I can see it. See right here on the side, you can see the copper. See if I can just pop that out. Oh, I've always seen one big spool. I've never seen with two little ones. And you just cut it. And then the copper will come right out. That comes. Not a lot, but it adds up. And like I said, I've never seen a small one. Two little wheels inside. This one looks like it might be solid one. Yeah, this is those solid pieces that I believe they have copper, but it's built inside this plastic case. So I'm wondering if this would be considered CBM, copper bearing material on some of the yards, but I'll have to check on this. I've been finding several of these, but I'm not sure if they just go in the tin, the regular scrap, or if they would take it as a CBM, because like I said, normally they have copper inside, but I don't know how much percentage they want, considering. Oh, here's another e-waste. Well, there we go. It has the wire with a little bit of brass on the tips. And then we got the little brass pieces there, the E-waste copper, and then there's also this big chunk of copper in it. What? Maybe 20 minutes of work. I was considering back and forth, moving the trash out of the way and all that. So I think it's a pretty good um, amount of copper. You know, once I cut the copper off the ends, and then this longer piece without that piece of brass on there. So good deal. To the next video. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.